Hey everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today I'm with my amazing friend Kubra, who is going to show us how to make some mouth-watering Afghan dishes right at her home. Get ready to dive into the flavors of Afghanistan. We'll explore the spices, traditions, and the love that goes into every meal. So, grab a seat and let's cook together. It's gonna be delicious. So, Kubra, what are you doing?
I want to cook.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here is the onions.
Yeah, this is onions and this is tomato.
Yes.
As you know that tomato have a lot of water.
Yes.
And first we dry it because it have lots of water. And after that we mix it with onion. After that we use some spicy. Yes. And at the end we use the chicken meat.
Nice. Afghan spices. So, this one is the salt. This one is the turmeric. This one is, what is this?
Turmeric.
This is for the vegetables, special for vegetables. And this one is special for the Qurma.
Yeah. It's ready to make. It's ready to make with tomato, and this is the
spices.
Vegetable spices, and
Yes.
this is the spices, salt, garlic, turmeric,
Yes.
and this is especially for korma.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Shumaya. Sumaya wants to help me.
Yes, I want to help her. How? I'm gonna just smell. Yeah, I'm gonna help her like this. Wow, the smell is amazing.
Really?
Wow, really. I can't wait to taste this delicious food.
Oh.
That's really good.
Tomato is
Afghanistan?
after few minutes it's ready, and we can mix it with onion.
Actually, Afghanistan has really delicious foods, you know.
Yeah.
Lots of travelers told me that totally the foods from Afghanistan are really delicious. They said maybe like the ingredients, like the vegetables, the fruits, they are so natural, you know.
Yeah.
They are really natural, and that's why maybe it's delicious.
Yeah, of
If
course.
you want to taste the delicious and natural food of Afghanistan, so
Book
come to Afghanistan. Yeah.
and book with female tour guide.
Exactly. Okay, what are you gonna do now?
Now is the time to use chicken with luwak, tomato with onion.
Okay.
Before I mix chicken with tomato with onion, I fry it with oil because as you know that chicken have different smell. Because of that we fry it with oil. Yes.
Okay. Huh.
It's for Qurma sabzi.
I'm gonna help just a little bit, Kubra. Now it's time for making ready the rice, right?
Yes. I always, when cooking rice, before that, I put it inside the water around 3 or 2 hours.
Okay.
Yes.
Why?
Because it become bigger. Yeah.
The rice gets bigger.
Yes. And this is cinnamon. I put it here because it have a very nice
Smell?
smell. Yes.
Cool. The salt. This saffron is from Herat saffron. Okay, so the food is slowly getting ready and we are preparing the plates, spoons for serving and eating. So the rice is ready to be served. This is the mix of rice with saffron.
Yeah. Look.
So delicious.
Yeah, it looks so delicious.
Wow. Wish. In Afghanistan, we love to eat together. We sit on the floor around a dastarkhan or sofra that you see in the video, sharing delicious food and good times. It's all about family, friendship, and enjoying every moment together.
Esther wants to taste.
Okay, I'm gonna taste it. How is it?
Yeah.
The smell is so great. Also, let's see how is the taste.
Be honest, okay?
So delicious. The spices really great. Just one thing. Salt.
Oh,
But the other ingredients are so delicious.
okay.
Yes, it's so delicious because I eat lots of salt.
Yeah?
That's the reason.
Okay. But it's, I think it's okay
Maybe
for
normal
us.
for others.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, Noshi John.
Thank you.
So,
Now we are at the end of the video, and Cobra cooked the Qurma sabzi and also the Qurma of chicken. Whenever I tasted, I really loved it. And thank you so much, Cobra, for cooking such delicious food and showing the culture of Afghanistan to all the people from around the world. Yeah. So you're always welcome. Like my father is your welcome. Thank you so much. Like always, you're welcome. It's my pleasure that you like me. Thank you so much for watching the video until the end. And now it's time to hear from you. Me and Cobra really love to know about the culture, tradition, foods of other countries. If we wanted to travel to your countries, what foods would you recommend us? And we should try it. After you say goodbye,
yeah.
we really enjoyed from the food, from whatever we made, and hopefully you enjoyed too.
Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, so please don't forget subscribe our YouTube channel, like and write a very beautiful comment.
Yes. So thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Goodbye from Afghanistan.
Yes.